This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the James Dix Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. President-elect Obama promising the country's governors that they'll play a role in designing an economic recovery plan. Obama told governors meeting in Philadelphia today that, quote, if we're listening to our governors, we'll not only be able to do what's right for our states, we'll be doing what's right for our country. Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia President Charles Plosner said that the Fed should protect its independence and avoid targeting its credit policies towards specific industries or businesses. He said that credit policies that favor one industry are best left to fiscal authorities such as the Treasury or Congress. Detroit's automakers, making a second bid for $25 billion in funding, are presenting Congress with plans to restructure their ailing companies and provide assurances that the funding will help them survive and thrive. Bank of America expected to cut at least 10,000 investment banking jobs as it moves towards final acquisition of Merrill Lynch. The layoffs will begin before the end of the year and possibly as soon as this week. According to credit reporting agency TransUnion, the percentage of people who are 2 months behind on their mortgages shot up in the third quarter from the same period last year. For the quarter ended September 30th, 3.96% of people holding a mortgage were at least 60 days behind in their payments. Delta Airlines hinted that more job cuts could be on the way as it disclosed that it will reduce consolidated system capacity by 6 to 8% in 2009 compared to the current year. British Airways said it's in talks with Australia's Qantas Airways about a potential merger, sending its shares soaring as it confirmed expectations of consolidation in the hard-hit aviation industry. Some of the economic reports scheduled out on Wednesday include the ADP employment report, productivity, unit labor costs, and the ISM non-manufacturing survey. In earnings today, General Electric says it expects fourth quarter earnings to be near the low end of its previous guidance. Staples saying its third quarter profit fell 43%. The retailer earned $156.7 million or 22 cents a share. Analysts expected a profit of 41 cents. Sears Holdings Corp. lost $146 million or $1.16 a share. Analysts expected a much smaller loss of 49 cents. And Beazer Homes USA said its loss for the quarter totaled $473.9 million or $12.29 a share. Analysts expected a loss of just $2.10. Scheduled earnings on Wednesday include Aeropostale, Casella Waste Systems, Del Monte Foods, Copart, Jo-Ann Stores, and Plato Learning. Some of the stocks in the news today included Vedanta Systems, planning a $250 million share buyback. Acorn International reporting a third quarter net loss from a year earlier profit on 3.4% higher sales, and it affirmed its full year outlook. UAL Corp, the parent of United Airlines, expects to raise about $300 million in cash during the fourth quarter. And Walgreens reporting November sales at stores open at least a year fell 0.9%. That's the market wrap on this Tuesday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.